The 2025 KTM 250SXF is a high-performance motocross bike designed to cater to riders of all skill levels, from novice to pro. Boasting advanced technological features like launch control, traction control, and a Quickshifter as standard, this bike is engineered for domination on the track. Riders can further enhance their experience with the optional Connectivity Unit Offroad (CUO), which offers adjustability options via the KTMconnect app, providing insights into riding behavior and optimizing engine and suspension settings. Updates from KTM Factory Racing efforts have resulted in significant improvements to the bike's performance and handling. The frame has been reworked to improve chassis flex, reduce weight, and enhance cornering behavior. Suspension settings have been upgraded to complement the frame updates, ensuring improved weight distribution, stiffness, and response. The 250SXF features easy suspension adjustment, allowing riders to fine-tune their setup quickly and effectively. The air filter box is designed for maximum airflow and easy maintenance, while serviceability is enhanced with easy access to service parts. Performance-wise, the 250SXF delivers exceptional power in the mid-range and top end, making it a leader in the 250 cubic centimeters four-stroke class. Launch control and Quickshifter functions come standard, providing fast acceleration and seamless shifting. Total traction is ensured with selectable engine maps and traction control, allowing riders to adapt to different track conditions with ease. The bike's frame updates contribute to improved stability and control, while upgraded components like the rear brake pedal and steering head connection enhance overall performance. Maintaining momentum is crucial, and the 250SXF excels in this regard with its optimized mass centralization and reduced weight. The Connectivity Unit Offroad offers further customization options, allowing riders to tailor their bike settings to their preferences. With its blend of advanced technology, performance enhancements, and rider-friendly features, the 2025 KTM 250SXF is poised to dominate the motocross scene and provide riders with an unparalleled riding experience.